If you haven't heard, we have a hurricane that's out in the Atlantic right now. It's called Hurricane Sam, and it is moving toward the west. I'm going to get to the forecast of that in just a minute, but a lot of other action going on in the Atlantic, really none of which, at least right now, is going to be a threat to the United States. So let's focus on Sam, okay? 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It doesn't really have a very healthy satellite presentation yet, but I think that's going to change pretty quickly in the next 24 hours or so. Look how quickly it's forecast to intensify. The forecast cone, once we get into the middle of next week and it gets northeast of the Leeward Islands, gets a little bit wide, and that means that there's some uncertainty in the forecast still. I think this is going to be a critical time frame here, again, about midweek next week. Is it going to go a little bit closer to the islands, or is it going to curve off toward the north and east? And by the way, as far as the chances of this affecting the United States directly, probably not going to happen. But Bermuda needs to watch this super closely because it has the potential to be a pretty devastating hurricane there. Looks like it's going to be pretty strong when it gets at least close to them. If it ends up taking the track that goes directly in, that's going to be a big problem. So we'll watch it closely. We'll keep you updated.